Hi, this is a quick recording on how to use Urbit Dashboard, the first application that you can use with Urbit Visor. Starting with a connected Urbit ship, in this case a comet, we can go ahead and open up Urbit Visor and click Dashboard, which brings us over to urbitdashboard.com. We can click this prompt, which asks Urbit Visor to grant permissions, and we're going to allow Urbit Visor and Urbit Dashboard to share this information by entering in our master password. It successfully read the comet name, and now it's even telling me my most popular group, my unread messages, and some other cool information. And that's as simple as it is. So that's connecting Urbit Visor to Urbit Dashboard. This will be similar for any online app which uses Urbit Visor to connect to your Urbit ship.